Stalker here, and welcome back to my channel. A very late Sophie and Toffee package came in. I don't know what happened, something about something. Delivery issues. This is the Pixie box for... Didn't I just do a Pixie box? Okay. Time to open up and see what we got. Oh, carnival. Now that's cool. I didn't know if that's a big mold. Ooh, let's see what we got here. 1, 2. That's one mold set. Okay. Let's see what we got. And this is bright, colorful transfer film. Well, that is pretty. Glow in the dark glitter. I have a whole box of nothing but glow in the dark stuff. I think I have the pink. Okay. This break? What is this? 17 to 20 colorful shapes confetti. Oh, there's a whole bunch in here. Okay. Oh, they're all over the place. Oh, man. I think they're all stars. Hearts? Stars? I like the little bottles. I know there's nothing but samplers, but that's still okay. Well, this is awesome. Okay, what else we got here? Very light. Blue, my favorite color. Neon color flowers. Confettis. Let's see. Flower embellishments with little micro beads. Ah! Is that even focusing? I'm sorry if it's not. It's a new phone. Pastel color. Oh, that's not it, is it? It says color macaroon beads, but it just looks like pastel beads. Okay. 3. Oh, that's cute. It's a little kitty. I think that's a cupcake. Or ice cream, I don't know. Butterflies. Camera charms. I guess these are the accessories to, what is that? It's a Ferris wheel? Okay, that's cool. Happy Vibes silicone mold. I like this. This is a balloon mini dog. It's a balloon animal. And you can make little shaker pieces. Oh, more confetti. And the rest of the Ferris wheel mold pieces. Well, that's it for today's box. I have another one coming in tomorrow, hopefully. And if you like what you see, please like, share, subscribe. Drop me a little cup of coffee now and again. Have a great day. Namaste.